I'm happy to have the possibility to speak here on the Naples Shipping Week. I'm Gerd Würzig, Business Director LNG Fuel Ships of DNV GL. And as you may know, DNV GL plays a very active role since the early 2000s with the first vessels running on LNG, small ferries, and followed by offshore supply vessels and bigger ferries. And nowadays we see that this is spreading around from Norway, where most of the vessels have been operated until even 2012. But now it is going into the world and going into normal shipping. We have a number of container ships on contract, and the order book for LNG fuel ships is above the number of ships operating in the moment. So we are quite optimistic that LNG will play a big role in shipping. Our assumption is about 1,000 vessels in 2020. This is only 9% of the world production in shipping, but we think that this will increase very, very fast. And we also think that everyone should prepare to be LNG ready, and we support our customers and clients to be LNG ready, even if they decide not to go into LNG within the next years. So the technology is available, the technology is rising, and we are looking forward to have a new environmental friendly fuel for shipping, which will bring the society and forward and has much benefits for the nearly 9 billion people on our planet.